Hey y'all, we're gonna start out with our brows today. And since I normally don't show y'all my brow routine on camera, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the new routine I've been using lately. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay, so after I kind of just brush my brows, my natural eyebrows up, and then swoop them over a little bit, I just start at the bottom of the brow bone or brow line, and I just kind of, make my shape the way I like it. And then I move to the top of the brow line, right where the top of the hairs end, and just start, forming my shape there as well. And then I use feather-like strokes to fill in the areas in the eyebrows. And I try to do light feather-like strokes to give like a real natural looking eyebrow. All right, and now both brows are done. We're gonna move to concealing the eyelids for this bomb ass smoky eye glittery look we're gonna do on our eyes today. All right, and I'm starting off with my Sigma gel liner. I'm gonna use it as the base for my smoky eye. I don't really like to just start out just stippling on a bunch of black shadow, just simply because I feel like it takes forever and it gets really messy. But whenever I use gel liner and then just use a little stippling brush to kind of feather it out, move it around, and just shape my smoky eye the way I like it, I feel like it just looks so much better. And then I go over it with a black shadow. And as you can see, I'm using that little stippling brush to just kind of blend out the edge where the black liner meets, the rest of the eye. I'm just softening it out a little bit and feathering it out with that stippling brush. Okay, and now I'm going into the Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm using the black eyeshadow called Beast, and I used it over the black gel liner, and then I used the brown shade called Back Rolls to blend into the back. I'm sorry, not the back, but the black, just to soften it out a bit. And the brush I was using here was wet because I had washed it, so I just switched it out and used another brush to kind of, buffer it in, blend it in really nicely. So, yeah. And then I just spend my time blending. I had to blend quite a bit. But y'all know how it is when you do a smoky eye. You have to do a lot of blending, especially when you're using a lot of black. And we ready for glitter. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glitter primer on, and then I'm gonna mix these two glitters together, and we're gonna go ahead and pop it on the lid. and now we're done with one eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. And I'm also going to start on the base of my face. So there we go. And we're gonna just move on here from there. Y'all have already seen me do my foundation and all that plenty of times before. Alright, I'm just going to use my liquid liner on the lower lash line or waterline, and then I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to create a wing liner. Alright, and now I'm going to do a light contour and a little bit of bronzing. Alright, and dipping back in the shade Beast, I'm going to go and smoke out the lower lash line and just completely smoke out the entire eye. And bam, I got my lashes on and the look is almost complete, y'all. I'm getting so excited. Alright, and now I'm taking the lightest brown in the palette and the darkest brown in the palette, and I'm just going to wear both of them together. Alright, and that concludes the video, y'all. I had so much fun creating this look. If you like this look or this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, a like, share, comment, all of that. I want to hear from y'all. And until next time, bye-bye.